Did you know tiny honeybees hold one of nature's greatest secrets to success? In just a few minutes, you'll discover how these little heroes work together to build wonders that sustain life on Earth. Stay with us and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing nature secrets. Hello, nature enthusiasts, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the golden, buzzing world of the honeybee. It's a world far more complex and fascinating than you might imagine. We see them flitting from flower to flower, but what's really going on inside that bustling hive? It's not just about making honey, it's about intricate communication, brilliant engineering, and a social structure so efficient it has inspired human societies for centuries. So, what is this great secret? It's the power of the collective, the superorganism. A single bee is vulnerable, but a colony of 50,000 bees. That's a force of nature. Each bee has a specific job, a role it's born to do, from the queen laying thousands of eggs a day, to the diligent worker bees who take on different tasks as they age. They start as nursery attendants, then become architects, guards, and finally, the foragers we see dancing in our gardens. This incredible division of labor is the foundation of their success. It's a perfectly oiled machine where every single part, no matter how small, is absolutely essential for the survival and prosperity of the whole. Let's talk about their incredible home, the beehive. Those perfect hexagonal cells aren't just beautiful, they are a masterpiece of structural engineering. Why a hexagon? It has the most efficient shape for storing the maximum amount of honey with the minimum amount of wax. It's pure mathematical genius. The bees build these wax structures with astonishing precision, creating a strong, stable home that houses their young and stores their precious food reserves. And this isn't random. The hive is meticulously organized, with the nursery at the warm center, surrounded by pollen and nectar stores, and honey at the outer edges. This layout ensures the brood is kept at a constant, optimal temperature, crucial for their development. But how do they coordinate all this? How does a forager bee tell her sisters where to find the best patch of wildflowers miles away? This is where it gets truly magical. They use one of the most sophisticated forms of communication in the animal kingdom, the waggle dance. When a forager returns to the hive, she performs a special dance on the honeycomb. The direction she faces relative to the sun indicates the direction of the food source, and the duration of her waggle tells the others the distance. It's a symbolic language, a living map that guides the entire foraging force with incredible accuracy. Imagine giving your friends directions to your favorite cafe just by dancing. This ability to share complex information allows the colony to adapt quickly and exploit the best resources available. The products of the hive are just as remarkable. We all love honey, that sweet, golden liquid that's both a food and a medicine. But bees also produce other incredible substances. There's beeswax, which we've already seen is a brilliant building material. Then there's propolis, a sticky resin they collect from trees. They use it to seal cracks in the hive and protect it from bacteria and fungi. It's so effective that it's often called bee glue and has powerful antimicrobial properties. And let's not forget royal jelly, the superfood fed exclusively to the queen bee, which allows her to grow larger and live dozens of times longer than a worker bee. Each of these substances plays a vital role in the health and security of the colony. Now, let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture. The bees' work doesn't just benefit them. Their most vital role, the one that sustains life on Earth as we know it, is pollination. As they travel from flower to flower collecting nectar, they transfer pollen, fertilizing plants and enabling them to produce fruits, seeds, and vegetables. It's estimated that 1/3 of the food we eat depends on pollinators like bees. From the apples in your lunchbox to the almonds in your granola and the coffee in your cup, we have bees to thank for them. They are the unsung heroes of our ecosystems and our agricultural systems. Without them, our world would be a much less colorful and far less delicious place. The ripple effect of their daily work is immense, supporting biodiversity and ensuring the stability of countless plant species. However, this intricate world is facing unprecedented threats. Pesticides, habitat loss, climate change, and diseases are putting immense pressure on bee populations worldwide. When we see fewer bees in our gardens, it's not just a small loss, it's a warning sign for the health of our entire planet. The decline of these tiny pollinators has serious implications for food security and the balance of our natural ecosystems. It's a silent crisis that requires our immediate attention. The good news is, we can all be part of the solution. So, what can we do to help our buzzing friends? It's simpler than you might think. Planting a bee-friendly garden is a fantastic start. Choose native wildflowers, herbs like lavender and rosemary, and flowering trees. These provide essential food sources for bees throughout the seasons. Another simple step is to avoid using pesticides in your garden, especially neonicotinoids, which are particularly harmful to bees. Opt for natural pest control methods instead. You can also support local, sustainable beekeepers by buying their honey and other hive products. These beekeepers are on the front lines of bee conservation, and your support helps them continue their vital work. Even providing a shallow dish of water with some pebbles or marbles for bees to land on can make a huge difference on a hot day. Every small action adds up to create a safer world for bees. The honeybee colony teaches us a profound lesson about cooperation, hard work, and the importance of every individual's contribution to the greater good. It's a beautiful, self-sustaining society built on instinct, communication, and a deep connection to the natural world. Their secret to success isn't just about survival. It's about thriving together. By understanding and protecting these incredible creatures, we are not just saving the bees, we are investing in the health and future of our own world. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey into the heart of the beehive. We hope you've gained a new appreciation for these tiny architects and farmers. If you found this video fascinating, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss our next adventure into the wonders of the natural world. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Do you have bees in your garden? What's your favorite bee-friendly plant? Let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, stay curious.